Hey there, Sid here with another trade recap. And today is Friday, last day of the 4 day week. And today I took a trade on ISEE, Iveric Bio Inc. So I took a trade on ISEE in two parts. Okay, so this stock popped up yesterday in yesterday's after hours on this news. Iveric Bio reports indictment grant under Nasdaq listing rule 5634C4, and it went from almost $8 to $14 in short period of time. So I did some background check on this company ISE. It's okay company, nothing significant. So for this unusual movement, I decided not to go long but go short. And what I did is like I basically open up a short position with dollar cost average. And by the end of the day, by the end of yesterday, I was holding 90 shares at 12.90. Okay, and in the morning, as I expected, it continues its downfall. It reached to the low of 1069, and I sold my positions at 1135. So that gave me around like $124 and some cents. Um, but then it popped up again during pre-market hours, went up even higher. I guess it made high of 1461, and then it started trading in this downward channel. When it broke that channel on market open, it made higher high of 1553, and at this time, like, I decided to go short on this stock because of the choppiness of the market. I thought like I already made $124, made some cushion to take some risk, so I go short on it, and I use the same technique of dollar cost average and build up a position on this candle, on this spike, and shorted just 40 shares for 14.99. And the one mistake that I did is I hold that position for too long, and when it reached to low of 1339, let me see the exact low, oh okay, of 1330, I expected that it's going to go below, 12. In it will go and trade for some times in between $12 and $13, but that didn't happen. It was just going in bit it was just trading sideways in this channel between 1330 and VWAP. So it was kind of like boring. I hold 40 shares short position for whole day, didn't nothing happened over there, and finally I got bored with it. And when it start moving up, when it start going higher, or when it started showing some bullishness in aftermarket hours, I just sold everything for I guess 1435. So now, as you can see, it started coming down, but that's okay. I made my profit of $154. So let me show you the actual trades. So this is my profit on ISEE, $153.19, or short positions, as you can see here. I was dollar cost averaging 5 shares, 10 shares, and build up a position of 90 shares, around like 12.90. So bought back those shares at 11.35, and then again open up the short position with 40 shares at on average of 14.99, and sold and buy back everything at 14.35. On and all, green day. Yesterday I didn't take any trade, so yeah, I mean this whole week made a good chunk of profit, and ending up week with $153 in my pocket. So on and all, it was a good week, and I hope like we will get some more momentum in the next week. So that being said, thank you for watching this video, and always remember, trading is risky. Do your DD before jumping into any trades. If you are not sure, consult with your financial advisor. Be comfortable and then take a trade, because trading is risky, and if you don't know what you're doing, you will always lose money. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in next video.